Hello, welcome to That's So Cool by Lichi channel, and today as you can see I have all drawing materials and I'm going to show you guys how to draw the 3D cone. So let's get started. For this you need a cup, an eraser, a pencil, a Q-tip, a ruler and scissors and a white paper. First, take the cup and use the base of it and trace the base with the pencil. Now we got a perfect circle. Take the ruler and put it slanting at the side of the circle. Do the same on the other side. Now we got a cone. Now shade lightly, not in the circle, just shade in this triangular part. I have shaded in the cone part. Take the Q-tip and shade. This is called blending. Now I have blended it perfectly. Now take the same Q-tip edge and put it in half the circle. Now that I have shaded a little of the circle, move at the point of the cone, make an oval. And shade it in. Basically, this is a shadow. Now take the other end of the Q-tip and shade it in. Make sure none of the pencil marks are coming out. Now that we have a 2D cone, let's make it 3D. For this, I'm going to use the ruler and scissors. Take the ruler and make a thin line. Now take the scissors and cut out the line. See where I'm pointing? Just do that line. Go over the circle and come back to the second line. Shape of a cone. Now let's view the 3D effect. Now the important thing. Whatever art you're doing, Always remember to sign. Lichi.